Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix KineMaster unsupported file format problem solved. KineMaster is the best video editing app available for smartphones. It is a powerful tool that can do all the editing related work which are only capable of PC software. Sometimes, when you edit or play video on your computer or TV, you may encounter an unsupported format file error. It's an annoying problem but can be fixed easily. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Open KineMaster app. Click Settings icon. Then click Advanced Settings. Enable all options. Click Back. Click Device Performance Information. Click Analyze Device Performance. Select Analyze Device Performance. Wait a while. Click Back. Open any project file and see if the problem occurs. You can see my project file is opened without any error. If you have any problem, please comment. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If the video is useful to you, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.